Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a dish, a Manipuri dish, which is similar to a salad, but we call it Shingju in Manipuri. So first I'm going to show you step by step. So first let me chop this cabbage. This is the main ingredient. If you cut the cabbage more thinner, then it tastes better. So my cabbage is ready. So I'll set this aside and I'll do the rest. The next step, I'm going to toast this. So now my pan is hot, so I'm gonna toast this until it is enough to smash. So it needs to be crunchy. Until it is crunchy, I have to toss this around, like you have to stir like this, otherwise it will get burnt. I think it's done now, so I'll set this aside and go for the next step. So while my peanut is cooling down, I'll toast this one. This is chickpea flour. This one you have to be careful because, like, if you leave just like that, it will get burnt. So you need to toast around like this. I'm keeping the heat medium. It's all done, so I'll set this aside to cool it down. So I'll show you the next step. Now for the chutney, I'm going to burn this one. This is fermented fish. We call it ngari. So without this, you cannot make the Shingju. The chili, I'm using 3 king chili, so I'll just slightly toast. Like, it's very spicy, so it just burns slightly. So this is done. So I'm adding a little bit of water, so it will help easier to pound, to smash this chili. It's dry, so it's very difficult to smash it. This is enough. So next step is I will crush the peanut. The peanut I have toasted before, so it's all cooled down. So I'm going to slightly crush this. This I will crush just a little, slightly, not powder. So now all my ingredient is ready. Let's start the fun part. This is the cabbage I've already chopped before. So in this, I'm going to add all the ingredients that I've prepared. I will chop one more thing. This is a fish mint leaf. So I'll add this here. And this is dried noodles ready to, like you can eat like this only, and you can eat after cooked also. So I'm going to for us time like to make the masala of the noodle. And the chickpea flour I've prepared before. Now add dog and the peanut. And the chutney. Now I'm going to toast this with my hand like this. So this is all done. This is Shingju ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.